Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Today also I start my vlog. So today I have to some different vlog content. So what is different before than today between my vlog explore in Saudi Arabia, foreign employer barista, daily life, how to survive. So why I do this one exploring vlog? Because many people before come in Saudi Arabia doesn't know about Saudi Arabia is actually what we expectation, what we get the reality. That's why I'm I'm do blog. This is not for Nepali people. I'm from Nepal, but I use the language English because this is my blog. I want to be people can take the from my this video, can take the advice, can take the inspiration, can know the in Saudi Arabia what we have the opportunity, what we have the reality life survive. So this is my vlog. Today in Saudi Arabia, temperature 43. Also, I want to, later I will keep it the screen. How much temperature right now? Now 43 temperature. Then also I keep it there my YouTube channel, so people can find the easily in YouTube channel if search. So I work in Saudi Arabia as a coffee maker 5 years. Even one time I doesn't go Nepal vacation. So if I want, I can go, but I don't go because I have the myself with the situation, myself with a different problem. That's why I don't go. But many people confusing in Saudi Arabia how to survive daily life because this is maybe people think this one video is normal, just like vlogging. Nowadays, anyone can make the vlog, anyone talk in the social media. But my vlog I have to some special. It means just normal employee in Saudi Arabia, how to survive, just like the how to eat, how we sleep. So also one more thing, people doesn't know about that one, how much earned can the monthly salary in Saudi Arabia. So how much we have the costed living place, how we must be used for food money monthly like that. I want to give the all information. So right now I come out from accommodation. Now I'm going to duty. My workplace then accommodation duration 20 minutes. Different place. That's why I go by self walking. So this is the Saudi Arabia reality. It means now I have to go duty. It means by self walking. It is if without sunglass wearing I cannot see. That's why I wearing the sunglass. So, so right now me before come outside from accommodation I stay inside the AC. That's why I can survive the easily. I feel the good, but more than 1 hour we cannot survive continuing outside. So nowadays people very scared the weather because weather is very difficult now. If long time we cannot stay the outside continue. So be careful the people who watching the my blog want to know in Saudi Arabia how to survive daily life. This is just like be self the honest, be self the strong. trust yourself. So why I am making this place just like the normal vlog, because this is I want to explore for an employer as a coffee maker how to survive daily life. Just before go duty, we have to come out must be duty hour before. Depend on your place where your accommodation. If you have near accommodation, you can come out the later, no problem. But you have to come accommodation to or place to distance. More you have to come out early. So I have to come out early 30 minutes. That's why now I'm walking the way from accommodation to our place duration. So this is the reality. So people must be know this one. What about Saudi Arabia is temperature outside? Ah, if some people is walking the like this is the temperature, noise broken, become the head fever, with beginning people. But after slowly he can survive easily, just like me. Now even now temperature hot 43, but I can survive the easily because before 5 years I stay in Saudi Arabia. That's why my body can survive that temperature, that weather. So this is my YouTube channel. You can see it in this picture. Too hot. So yesterday my off day. That's why I'm little bit. I feel the good today. So I think this month I can buy for vlogger camera. Now I'm making the with my phone. But I think better than buy vlogger camera. Then I can take the easily. Doesn't no need to like that is very scrolling my camera. So before this, you remember who is continue watching the my blog before 10 day. This ground almost green. That time is too much water raining. That's why. But now same place, same ground. Now have the grass because this is almost die and dry. This grass because water is no more continue. So this is reality we survive sacrifice in Saudi Arabia. Who doesn't know about Saudi Arabia want to see Saudi Arabia? This is the reality. Also I feel almost hot. So now it is not easy survive. This is the now 43 temperature. Before I came out, I was check it. So I want to keep it there also temperature how much going. From starting 27. It's been almost 27 is hot already. But this is the starting temperature. After 27 to 43 between temperature is that's why starting 27. So now closing 43. Oh my god. So I have to now close the camera